Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to blur one picture into another on the Polish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app and tap on the create button, click on a photo, and after that you should slide to the right side of the screen till you find the blend button. Here you can find a bunch of pictures, so tap on the relevant one and you can adjust it by the help of your fingers, so drag it to the relevant part, and you can also blend it into your picture by this slide that you can find in the middle of the screen. But you can also use the AI blend function, so it will be done automatically, but you need to purchase the premium. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.